Let's talk about batch processing in Dragon's Breath Ribbon. First, let's look at the most important parameters of Dragon's Breath Ribbon. First, the set stuff at the top, and also the drive system stuff. These things. If every animation file already has these, you can ignore them, but if not, we need to save these things out. For example, this is our rig file. We have this. All these things are already recorded. We can click Save to save them out. For example, I'll give it a name. Set. Same for the one below. Let's save it. Drive. Okay. Then the remaining parameters. And for these parameters, we need to adjust our batch processing panel. These parameters are the same as those, only we need to point to the two files we just exported here. Then let's see how batch processing works. First, let's look at this folder. Some examples we've made. This is the rig file. These are the two files we just exported. This is where we want the output file to go. We can do it like this. Point to the Maya input file. Select a folder. And also select a folder for the output. Here we mount the two files from earlier. One is the set file. The one below is for the drive system. After mounting them, we can click to run batch processing. We can also set these parameters. It will automatically read the settings from our other window. Of course, if we want to change something, we can modify it here. For example, let's just run it and let it process. Below here is the progress bar. We can see it reading our first file, starting to process. Of course, we might need to fine-tune these parameters. This is just a test. The processing is done. After it's done, the output folder. Let's take a look. Inside this output folder, it will save the result. Okay. That's the workflow for batch processing. Thank you.